Welcome to this full walkthrough and honest review of Avira Password Manager. Today I'll be showing you exactly how the platform works, what it offers, and whether it's worth using in 2025. We'll start by heading over to the Avira Password Manager dashboard. Right off the bat, the interface is clean, modern, and beginner-friendly. You can log in through your Avira account or set one up for free, and it doesn't try to upsell you aggressively, which is refreshing. Once you're in, you're greeted with your password vault. This is where you can manually add credentials or import from browsers and other managers. The import feature is decent, though not as smooth as with some competitors. It took me a couple of tries to get everything synced right from Chrome. Security-wise, Avira uses 256-bit AES encryption, and all your data is encrypted locally before it's synced to the cloud. That's good news for privacy, especially if you're cautious about cloud-based password managers. It also includes two-factor authentication, but only through email or app-based verification. There's no biometric option, which could be a deal breaker for some. Avira supports autofill on most browsers via its extension, and on mobile, it integrates fairly well with iOS and Android. I found the autofill experience smooth in browsers, but on mobile, it can be hit or miss depending on the app. There's no support for secure notes or document storage, which is something more advanced users might miss. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Another thing worth mentioning is the password generator tool. It's basic but effective. You can customize length and complexity, but it lacks some features, like pattern-based generation or password history. One thing I didn't like was that it doesn't notify you about reused or weak passwords unless you manually check each entry. That feels a bit outdated for 2025. There's also a browser extension available for Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. It works well for capturing new logins, but doesn't always offer to update saved passwords, which can be frustrating. On the plus side, syncing between devices is fast and reliable, which is a strong point for a free tool. Avira Password Manager is completely free, with no hidden paywalls or annoying feature locks. That alone gives it an edge over some rivals. But it's also important to say that if you're looking for more enterprise-level features or dark web monitoring, you'll need to look elsewhere. Avira is really built for personal, everyday use. So would I recommend it? If you're just starting out with password managers and want something free, simple, and relatively secure, then yes. It's not perfect, and there are areas where it feels a little too minimal, but for what it is, it's pretty solid. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tech reviews just like this one.